An Algorand smart contract consists of two distinct programs, an approval program and a clear state program. These are tied together in Algorand Python as a single class. All contracts must inherit from the base class algopy.contract either directly or indirectly, which can include inheriting from algopy.arg4 contract. In this video series, we'll mainly focus on arg4 contracts as it is a recommended contract structure for composability. You can deploy the same smart contract class multiple times and each will become a distinct and isolated instance. In Algorand Python, you can consider deploying a smart contract as instantiating a Python class. So any calls to this contract are made to the instance of the contract. Contract classes can optionally implement an init method, which is a special method that takes in no argument and is executed once on deployment of the contract. Init method is a good place to put common initialization code like defining and initializing various contract state.